Hello, we're here with Brandy Pittser today, and we're going to make a microwave lasagna. This is a quick, easy recipe. You can put it in your microwave and walk away. You don't have to heat your house up with the oven, and a really super easy recipe you can do for your family and have a meal ready in about 20-25 minutes. And what we've got that we're going to use is our stack cooker base. And you can use this, or if you have the vent and serve, the large deep, that works perfectly also. And first we're going to take our layer of lasagna noodles and put that across the bottom, and we've broke these in half so you can fit those around. If you use the vent and serve, it fits pretty good in there. But you add your lasagna noodles and then some of your whatever pasta sauce, whether you have homemade or if you want to just grab a bottle that's ready to go, and you just pour a layer of that. And we're going to add some of the petite diced tomatoes on top of that. And so first we're going to show you real quick how our can opener works. And this is the super easy can opener. You lock that on the top, and you just spin around, and it leaves no sharp edges. It doesn't even feel like you're doing anything, and there you have your can open. You don't have to worry about metal shavings, and you lift the top. Once you've layered your sauce, we're going to add the diced tomatoes. Just add a layer of that, and then layer that with your cottage cheese. And once we put the cottage cheese on there, we're actually going to use our hamburger meat crumbled up, but we have not cooked this yet. This is a recipe. You don't have to cook any of the contents first. You just put it all together, and it cooks all at the same time. And you want to just portion out and keep making layers in there, and you want to crumble up your ground beef. Just little crumbles all across the top of your layer. And then we'll add a layer of the grated mozzarella cheese. And then follow that with another layer of the lasagna noodles. And we'll just continue this until we get our container full. We're going to finish up our layer of mozzarella on top. And then we're going to put that in the microwave for 20 minutes.